Hi, I'm Sujata.
And I'm Anand, and I went through the Sanjeevani course late in 2019. Now, few years earlier, I had started experiencing some health troubles. I had higher sugar, higher cholesterol, and I had also started feeling mentally a little unanchored. And when I met Garima in 2019, earlier in the year, as part of my coaching program, and I heard about her course Sanjeevani, I was immediate to understand that this is something I should go through. So I went through it and I experienced a lot of things around it. Now, specifically, there are three pillars that this course is based on. One is Swasth, which is health, Swaraj, independence, and third is Sarparivar. And this aspect of Sarparivar is what we'll talk about now and how it played a significant role for me. I mean, at the least, this course involves changes in your food, in your nourishment, and I can't cook for nuts. I had to rely on my mother and my wife Sujata in helping me figure out what to eat, when to eat, what to get, what we had to eat, and all those kind of things. But not just that, even the schedule that I maintained for this course. Morning time was for me to drop Rishikesh, our son, to school. Now that had to change because I had to attend morning session. Sujata took it up, I did something else in return. So in this way, on multiple dimensions, the family came in to support me, and that's what helped me go through the course smoothly and gain the benefits. How did you experience me?
So, on the ahar or the food or nourishment bit, there were a lot of changes that we did as a family. Right from switching from a polished rice to a brown rice, switching from refined oil to cold pressed oil. I think all of us got those benefits as a family. But over and above that, I could see a lot of changes that were happening in Anand. Right from the commitment, the discipline that came about regarding the program, from the time he wakes up to the time he does his yogic kriyas. He actually did not go to play badminton in that duration. So that speaks about the commitment. To the time he even slept at night. So I could see a lot of those changes happening from him, for him, and that definitely got me curious to know more about the program. That's when we started discussing about what I can do about it.
And as you can understand, there are some things that you have to do by yourself to learn it. Like imagine, can you learn swimming by just watching someone swim? Or perhaps by dipping your feet in the pool? Most likely not. Rather, I have tried it, it didn't work that way. I can't swim. So the only way you swim is by diving into the pool and multiple times over. So we realized that's what needs to happen. And with Sujata, we had seen this, that there were definitely some concerns experienced, as all of us do in life. We have problems and there is no shortage of it. She was experiencing it, some of them differently than what I had. And she also had begun making the resolve about doing something about it. And that's when we decided that perhaps the next batch of Sanjeevani as it starts could be a good opportunity for her to explore it. And explore she did. So how's that been for you?
So I definitely felt the need around some of the health concerns again in my case around skin related concerns. Um, Another very important need I felt was around the whole thoughts and emotions or yogic vichar as we say now and achar which is the behavior. So those were the areas I felt a need, and that's when I decided to jump into the pool and I joined up for the 12th batch of Sanjeevani. It's been 3 months and it's been a life changing experience for me. Uh, how this helped for me, having Anand at home who had undergone this particular journey, and the fact that Anand had also volunteered to support in this particular batch. I think that support was very important. While some of the things I did by myself in terms of leaving that tea addiction that I had, or some of the work that I could do on the yogic vichar, where it helped me not just in my personal relationships but even at work. But more importantly, I had Anand's support throughout. He understood what I was going through, all those ups and downs and emotions and energy levels, making sure I had time and support at home where he could engage our son and take care of some of the other responsibilities around the house, and I could completely focus upon this. That was definitely a big, big support for me in the journey. Any final thoughts?
I think having the family, and if we extend it to friends and community together, is a great ingredient for your Sanjeevani journey. Now, that doesn't mean everyone has to go through it necessarily. For instance, we also have my mother at home, and it's not that she has to go through the course as well. She's already pretty much aware of things that she wants to do for herself. So it wasn't that she had to go through it. But then for Sujata, we thought it's a good idea. So the idea is talk about it, keep it inclusive, and I think then let people decide what's the best for them. And it works in different ways for different people as it has for us. So awesome. Best wishes to you.
Good luck and goodbye.